Good morning. Happy day 19. Oh yeah, big yawns.
Morning. Good. I'm so tired.
You are?
Yeah.
Marie and I are matching pants again.
Again.
Same theme. We did this yesterday too. Okay, so today I am wrapping some presents. Like I told you, I was gonna show you how I do and how I organize. I'm having Christmas with my boot camp friends today. So we are coming over to my house. We're gonna do a little cheese plate, a little champagne, and then we're gonna head to LA and we're gonna go to, I think it's the old CBS building. Tonight on the rooftop, they're gonna show The Holiday. So they have fun loungy seats and unlimited popcorn. So it should be a good time. We're gonna get up there early and go to dinner too. So I am very much looking forward to that. But also I have a lot to do before Christmas. So trying to do all that and, you know, organize the fun you want to have is so hard to balance. But let me show you what I'm doing. I don't want to spoil gifts for someone in my family who might be watching my vlogs. So since we're doing these gifts today, I can show you these gifts because they'll open them and it doesn't matter if they watch or not. But you'll get the idea of how I organize for Christmas. So I put things in piles of people. This is my friend Lori, this is my friend Liz, this is my friend Kelly. And I kind of get an idea of what they have. I have the cute little ornaments that I'm gonna put on their bags. And yeah, so say this was a couple days ago, which I've had these piles going for, you know, a month or so now. I look at them and I go, okay, you know what? There's just not enough. I need something else. Sadie, shh, be quiet. So if I look and I go, you know what, that's just not quite enough. It's missing something. It needs a little something extra. I have time, and while I'm out shopping, if I see something for that person, say Lori, I will go, oh my gosh, that's perfect. I can add it to her little Christmas gift, and that's gonna really like tie everything up together, and I feel like it's complete. So right now, I feel like I have complete things of everything. I'm giving Kelly my favorite highlighter kit. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. What else? We're getting some jewelry, and I'm giving everyone just like a little bit of candy and things that I think that like made me think of them actually. And these are Lori's absolute favorite. She like raves over these bad boys, so I had to give these ones to her. But just fun little stuff. I got her some eyeshadow. I got her my new favorite glitter that I talked about the other day, the Dubai Bronze. She actually talked about it with me yesterday, and I was like, haha, you don't know you're getting it. And then I got everyone these little Let's Get Fizzy hats for New Year's. I got myself one too because I don't think all of us are gonna be together for New Year's and we're all just gonna kind of be separated, but I thought this could kind of bring us all together and we could like send each other pictures of us wearing our hats. So another little thing that I threw in. So now I just got to get to wrapping and organizing and I got to get to work. Let's do this. I wanna show you real quick how I make a bag out of wrapping paper in case you don't have a bag. I do have a bag, but I still wanna wrap this, but it's a weird and awkward thing to wrap, so I'm gonna wrap it like a bag and then stick it in the bag. Weird, I know, but that's what I'm gonna do. So you want to take your item and you want it to be about double the size. This is also a really cute way to give a gift. I just got a little jewelry stand. I got a necklace and a pair of earrings and put them on there for them. Super cute, fun little gift. Good gift idea. So depending on if your gift is tall or wide is how you're gonna lay your paper. So this is like a rectangle. My gift is a little wide. I'm gonna fold in the sides like a hamburger. Isn't that how we used to say it back in the day when we were little kids? Fold it like a hamburger, fold it like a hot dog, right? So I'm still gonna fold down the edges. Gonna line it up. Fold it over. Make sure this fits. Oh yeah, that should fit. Tape down the back. And now you're gonna fold up the bottom. This is gonna be my top, the opening to the bag. I'm gonna fold up the bottom to make the base. And then you're gonna open it like you do origami. And you're gonna fold the edges down. And it should look like this. So it has little, like a little airplane kind of. And then you're just gonna fold in the bottom like you would a present. So it looks like that. Again, it's flappy. And you're gonna tape down the bottom. You wanna tape it good because that's your base of the bag. And then you just open up the bag. Now you have a bag to put stuff in. And then you can add some tissue paper to the bottom, and it's super cute and ready to go. Fun little way to do a bag. So I'm just gonna take a little tissue paper and kind of like wrap it, and then stick it in the bag. And there we go. And then to complete it, I fold down the edges just like I do a present. And then tape that. And there you have it. Now you can add your little name tag, you can add a little bow. So cute and easy. Because you know what? Bags are expensive. But if you want to know another trick about getting bags, go to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has amazing bags. Look how huge this bag is. I got this huge bag at the Dollar Tree for $1. I got an even bigger bag that's like this big for $1 at the Dollar Tree. If you're gonna get a bag, get them there. If you're not gonna get them there, make your own. And then I'm just going to add this little glitter light bulb to this little gift tag. And something fun I like to do too that I think is cute, I like to say who it's to, and then I like to change the from to a heart. So it's like love me. Sorry for that car in the background. Someone's working on their car. And then I'm gonna just add some tissue paper to the top because all the gifts inside are wrapped. And it's all done. Alexa, pause. So this is another good example of so much noise. Dog, people doing their lawn. I'm so sorry. Real life here. This doesn't fit this way, but if, Sadie, I'm trying to tell a life hack. Shh. So if you fit it like this though, diagonally, this crosses over, and it meets in the middle. And then magically, look it fits. You have the right size wrapping paper after all. Show you a fun way I like to wrap up shirts or sweaters or anything like that instead of putting them in a box, because sometimes you don't have a box. So I got my friend this cute little coffee shirt. She loves coffee. So I'm just gonna fold it and then I'm going to roll it. I'm gonna stick it in tissue paper and roll that. I'm gonna tape it. Let's see. About there, about half. And then guess what? I'm gonna fold down an edge and then I'm gonna roll that. You take some string or twine and you roll it like a little candy. So fun. See? Look how cute. And no one will ever know that it's a shirt because it's not in a box. They'll have no idea what it is and be super surprised. And another fun thing you can do, oh my gosh, I have so many ideas I didn't even know I had. Another fun thing you could do, say you have something small, like I have this tiny little glitter. I don't want to wrap it in wrapping paper, that's so weird, but I also don't have a bag that's this small either. So I'm gonna make my own. Take a Ziploc baggie, cut off the top, so it opens up, and then you can add tissue paper. I happen to have, from this old gift I got, I keep all my bags, by the way. I have some of this fun stuff. Stick it in the bag. I'm gonna put my little glitter in there, hide her in there, and then wrap it with twine. Just another super fun gift tag for you. I keep everything I need in a little basket. My twine, ribbons. Sadie, come on now. My twine, my ribbons, my scissors. I keep a pen and a Sharpie in there, as well as multiple kinds of tape. And so, I don't know about you, but I always, when I'm wrapping gifts, lose stuff. I'm like, where did I put the scissors? Where did I put the tape? This really helps me stay organized because I can just throw it in here and then I know to throw it and get back out. So it keeps it all in one place and contained. I've been doing it forever and I just love it. And I keep this all year round and I stick it up in my closet. Whenever I need to wrap a gift, I just pull it down and everything is here where I need it. Cheers! Cheers! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Santa Lori, so cute. Oh no, Matt's gonna interrupt Christmas. No! Oh my gosh, look at all of this glitter. I think it's gonna be like a lifetime of glitter, not just a year.
Yeah.
Just saying.
LA, baby.
Look how fun. I don't even know what to say. Look how fun this cork is. Like, look at this presentation. Look how fun this presentation is. So fun. Cheers. Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Uh-oh.
Yes. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All bundled up. Walking to the movie. Woo! We're walking right there. And turn. And turn. And turn. I hope so. They said to go to the stairs. That looks like stairs to me. Oh, this is so fun. This is so fun. So cute.
Blankets are in the bin to the left of you in case you get cold. The popper is right here, and these are going to be any of the single green seats available.
Okay.
Okay.
Here you are, enjoy.
Thank you so much. Perfect. Headphones. Hi, Dee. We just got home. My friends just left. It was so much fun. Such a good, fun experience. So if you live in the area, like, it's a must thing to do. They play other movies too. So that's just the one we went to see, but I would love to go back to see more. Like, it was just such a fun experience and such a good time. So I will link it below the place that we went, just so you could, if you are in the area, go, because it was so much fun. And it wasn't even, whoa. Okay, just decide to lay down. Okay, that's fine. If you decide to go, I'll link it below so you can check it out if you live in or around the LA area. Such a blast and such a fun activity. Oh my gosh, I just loved it. It was kind of like going to the drive-in movie theater without the car. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. See you tomorrow.